Sweet, salty, crunchy, and munchy? What else could you want from a snack? It's doggone delicious. Yes, today we're making Puppy Chow. So let's take our dogs for a walk and get to it. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Cooking with Isa. Oh, please, stop. Or continue, that's fine. Today, we are going to be making American snacks. So, what do you think of when I say American snacks? Maybe you thought of pizza bagels? Maybe you thought of grilled cheese? Maybe s'mores? What about chocolate chip cookies? Well, all of those snacks are delicious, but today we are making something even better. Today we are making Puppy Chow! So, what is Puppy Chow? No, it's not a snack for your pet. Puppy Chow is rice cereal coated in chocolate and peanut butter and then tossed in powdered sugar. Doesn't it sound amazing? Do you want me to show you how to make it? Well, okay. For this recipe, you will need rice cereal, which I already have some in here. Most important ingredient. We'll also need some peanut butter, some chocolate chips, powdered sugar or confectioner sugar, and for equipment, you will need a small bowl, some plastic bags, and mom and dad's permission to use the microwave. So the first thing that we need to do is to melt our chocolate and our peanut butter together. Put equal parts chocolate and peanut butter in a microwave safe bowl. Chocolate chips. Delicious. A big scoop of peanut butter. Ooh, bigger than that. Ooh, maybe a little bit more. So once you have a lot of chocolate and a lot of peanut butter, we're gonna put this into the microwave for 10 seconds. Make sure to ask mom and dad. Now you might bring it out and it's not quite melted yet, but that's okay. We're just gonna check. So maybe another 10 seconds. Just keep melting it for 10 seconds until it's all melted and smooth together. Okay, so now that our mixture is completely smooth, it's time to put it onto our cereal. Pour that directly onto your cereal. Make sure you get all of the cereal coated in our mixture. You'll take a big spoon and you're gonna mix it all around. Whoa. Delicious or disgusting? We don't know. So now that your rice cereal is completely covered in chocolate and peanut butter, and you are not, it's time, the most fun part. So you're gonna take one of your plastic bags, but probably more because we made a lot today. Open it up and you're going to carefully scoop your rice cereal into one of our plastic bags. This might be a little bit messy, so be careful. Little by little, fill up your bag with the rice cereal till it's maybe halfway full. Then you're gonna take your powdered sugar, remember, not normal sugar, powdered sugar, and you're gonna put maybe a cup or two into your plastic bag as well. Not too much, until you think all of the Puppy Chow will be coated. Then you're going to zip up your plastic bag tight, really, really tight. But leave some room for air. And then comes the most fun part. You get to shake your bag. Keep shaking, keep shaking. All right, freeze. Let's check. So open your bag, and you want to see, all of our rice cereal has a nice coating on it. Now for our last step, all you have to do is seal up your bag one more time and put it in the fridge for 1 hour. And after 1 hour, we're gonna try this, and I bet it's gonna be delicious. Whoa! Whoa! Has it already been an hour? Let's go try our Puppy Chow. Ooh, I can't wait. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness. It looks delicious. Should we try it? Okay, I'm gonna. Guess what? It is delicious. It doesn't taste like it's for dogs at all. Thanks so much for coming on this journey with me, everybody. I hope you get to make this snack at home. If you didn't, go back to the beginning of the video and try it. Go on. Go ahead. Go back to the beginning. Let's do it together. You can